Good morning, my dear children. Last day we are talking about Cartesian sign in concave or convex mirror. Cartesian sign, this side means this is origin same as a pole in the mirror. It's like this. Pole is the same as a origin, and this side negative, right side positive, and upward is positive, downward is negative. We are studying same Cartesian sign using in concave and convex mirror. Understood now? Means every object keeping in this side, this is object distance negative, and if that is side is image form means positive, and the height of the object upward positive, height of the image downwards means negative. That we studied. Today we are studying about mirror formula and related problem solving. First of all, we have to know what is the mirror formula and how to find the distance between the object and mirror, how to find the distance between mirror and image or focal length of finding, everything I teaching today. First of all, we have to know there are two types of spherical mirror. First one is concave, second one is convex. Two spherical mirror is there. In concave means like this. This is the shape of concave mirror. It is the principal axis. This is the convex mirror. This is the principal axis. This is the concave. This is the convex. In concave, focus center of curvature P. Are real. Real means various object keeping that side, focus and center of curvature. But in convex, virtual means inside the mirror, focus and center of curvature QP. This is I already told. After that, U means example on object means objective. U means distance between mirror and object. U means same here also. U is same as the distance between mirror and object. Object may be here. Here U means this is the distance between object and mirror. So U is always negative. U negative. Here also U negative. Why? Because this side object keeping. If image forming here, this is assume that it is image. Distance between image and mirror also this come here. So denoting letter V. V is the distance between mirror and image. That also formed left side. So it is also negative. This is also negative. But in convex, image forming inside. So V is positive because right side form. Remember, in concave, U negative, V negative. U means distance between object and mirror. V means distance between mirror and image. V. Here both negative. In concave, most forming various object keeping that side image getting in concave. Except if keeping object F and P between, that time only getting inside the mirror. Otherwise, all image forming in right left side only. But in the convex like that not. In convex, everywhere you keep in the object, image always erect virtual inside. So U negative this side, no? V that side means positive. Next, focal length, F. Focal length, this side, look, focal length, left side, so negative. Here focal length is positive. Why? Because right side, here focal length coming. Focal length means what? No, distance between pole and focus. That is known as focal length. Means this much gap. And ear to ear is known as no, distance between pole and center of curvature is known as radius. That is double of this one. Here 10 means here 20. Same case here. This much understood now. Next, listening thing. Everyone listen, properly listen and write the answers. Everything write in the notes. Next look, HO. HO means height of the object. Height of the object. Here positive. Why positive? No, upward arrow mark. Look, always height of the object upward means positive. Look, upward means positive. Here also height of the object positive, upward. But image is arrow mark downwards means HI, height of the image. That is negative. Why negative? Downwards. Arrow mark upward means positive. Arrow mark downwards means negative. But there HI upward means positive. Understood? No? In convex, always U negative, V positive, F positive, HO positive, HI positive. Everything positive. In convex, everything positive except U negative. But in convex, everything is negative except HO positive. Okay, when it is keeping B back of the F, but inside the F and P means sign changing. That is, I'll give the question, that time you can understand. This one write and take. First of all, write and take this one. Very important points, concave and convex. Understood? No? Shortly, if you want means shortly, I'll say this after written no? Okay. Again shortly telling, in concave, U negative, V negative, F negative, and HO positive, and HI negative. In convex, U negative, V positive, F positive, HO positive, HI alpha positive. Only U negative. Understood? After the, why no, this is I told, when you are problem solving time, this is you have to remember. Okay. Look at the page number. Okay, mirror formula I gave you. Mirror formula means 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is known as mirror formula. Last year asked, okay, one mark question. What is the mirror formula? Both in concave and convex mirror formula only one. 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is the mirror formula. Next, F means focal length of finding. F means focal length. How to find the focal length? That is one equation is there. UV by U plus V. This is the focal length finding formula. Focal length. Next, are you listening now? Focal length formula tell what? F is equal to UV by U plus V. Next, we have to find how to find the U. U is equal to what? Look, similarly V finding. Okay, U means Shortly, I write the given equation. Okay, by f minus 1 by v. This is not right. I final answer I giving 1 by v is equal to v minus f and vf. Okay, vf by v minus f. This is the u finding formula. U finding formula. U means distance between object and mirror. How finding? This is formula using U finding. Similar, next, how to find the V finding. V is equal to UF by U minus F. This is the mirror formula. This is the focal length finding formula. This is the distance between the object and mirror finding formula. This is the distance between mirror and image finding formula. And one more is there, magnification finding. Example, here is object. Look. Here is the object. It is 4 centimeter. And here one image formed. That is the 2 centimeter. Here magnification means the distance of the image out many times lesser than or more than the object. That is known as magnification. Magnification means height of comparing the height of the image to the height of the object. Look, here height of the image half of the height of the object. Correct, no? Here 4 centimeter, here 2 centimeter. If here example, if here 9, if here 3, what is height of the image? 1/3 of height of the object. Height of the image 1/3 of height of the object. Like this comparing, no, that is known as magnification. So magnification formula I telling how finding the magnification formula. M is equal to M means magnification. Okay, minus V by U. Minus V by U, you can find magnification. One more formula is there, magnification. M is equal to HI by HO. When using HI by HO, if the height of the image and height of the object given means we can find the magnification. Otherwise, height of the object you don't know, height of the image you don't know means we can find this using this formula. Distance between the object, distance between image no means we can find it like this formula. Finding the magnification. I will say magnification is the comparing the distance of the image than the object. That is known as magnification. You can write the definition. Magnification definition is there. Page number 87. When you looking, you can get magnification means what. Okay, when you looking, no, there is you can get. Now we are problem solving. Okay, using this all problem solving. Understanding now everything. Take your page number 86. Take. There is 2 problem is there. 86, 2 problem here. 1 and 2. Page number 86. There is a 2 problem. After this, same like problem is there. Page number 88 also. First of all, we finding these 2 answer. How to solve? I will say. Page number 86. First question I reading. You listen properly. When an object is placed, one object placed in front of the concave mirror. If you want me to rough figure draw, I write a rough figure and taking the problem solving. One object is there that kept in front of the concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. In front object kept. Always like that, no? Object always keeping front of the mirror only. When object is placed in front of the concave mirror at a distance 30 centimeter from the mirror, from an image is obtained on the screen, distance 20 centimeter. Don't confuse, okay? Reading again. When an object is placed in front of the concave mirror, in concave mirror, one object kept. at a distance 30 centimeter from an image is obtained on the screen at a distance 20 centimeter. Here 20 and 30 given. 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter given. Both is, one is distance of the image, one is the distance of the object. But we have to identify which is the object distance, which is the image distance. Again reading, look. An object is placed front of the concave mirror at a distance. Object placed at a distance told. Object kept placed front of the concave mirror, which is the distance 30, means this is the distance of the object. How understood? A object placed front of the concave mirror at a distance 30 centimeter. Here minus 30. I told that you always negative. Okay, an image is obtained the screen distance 20 centimeter from the mirror. 20 centimeter from the mirror. Image formed. This is also negative. From the mirror. Understood no? Which mirror told? Concave mirror told. It is not told front, back of the image. Back of the mirror means here positive, V positive. But you always negative. V, if the image is erect virtual, if the image erect virtual means positive. If the image real means negative. What? Real means negative. Virtual means positive. But both not told in this question. But told what? What told? When an object is placed in front of the mirror at a distance 30 centimeter from the image is obtained on the screen told. Screen means here anywhere on screen is there. That time no, on the screen means that is real. That is negative. If the image formed inside the mirror, virtual, that time is positive. So now is negative on the screen told. Image formed on the screen. Screen means not inside the mirror, on the screen, outside. So it is negative. What is asking? Find the focal length. F asking. Now you know F finding formula I given already now. Already written, I rubbed. No, you already written F finding formula. What is F finding formula? F is equal to UV by U plus V. This is the focal length finding formula. Meaning F is equal to U plus minus 30, V plus minus 20 by minus 30 plus minus 20. We are using Cartesian sign. Now look, minus cut out. 600 by minus 30 minus 20 minus 50. You know both minus means add it and sign minus. Now cut the 0. So F is equal to minus 60 by 5. You can write the denominator minus on the numerator. Both are same. Now dividing. 65. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Answer minus 12 centimeter. This is the answer. Next we are going to do second question. Here in second question. Before that, this is not it and write down. Full write it. Understood? No? After this, we are going to take the second question. Over. Just you pause it and write. Okay. Rubbing. This is I going to rub it. Okay. So focal length minus 12 centimeter. Minus y I told in concave F negative, U negative, V also negative. In convex U only negative, other all letters are positive. Okay, second question. Page number, same page number 86. Here I am the question. Reading. An object placed, same as previous question. An object placed in front of the concave mirror. An object placed in the front of the concave mirror 20 centimeter away. You know minus 20 Cartesian sign. Understood now? An object placed in front of the concave mirror. Its distance is how much? 20 centimeter. Means left side negative number. If focal length 40. Minus 40. Why minus 40? Because it is concave mirror. F always negative. Locate the position of the image. Position of the image. Underline the point. Locate the position of the image. Position of image means you asking. Position of the image means you. Also, its nature. How look like? Is it erect or it is a real? It is virtual. We have to find. Positive means erect virtual. Negative means real inverted. That is we have to find. After finding the answer, we'll get answer. We are finding, you finding. Already I given the formula how to find the u. U is equal to Vf by V minus F. Correct no? Yes. Then U equal to V plus, this is V no? Sorry, this is the V. V means, so not finding U, we have to find V. V finding, U not. Okay. U place minus 20. F place minus 40 by minus 20 minus 40. Look properly. Then V equal to, at the minus 800 by, here become a positive, minus 20 plus 40. Next, V is equal to 800 by 20. 40 minus 20, 20. Big number sign. Plus. Now cut it. 80 by 2. You will get answer 40. Plus 40. Plus 40 means it will get the year. Maybe year. Here 40. Plus 40 means plus sign. It is not getting, image not getting on the screen. Image getting inside the mirror. So, it is erect virtual. So, you have to write the position asking, position of the image asking. So, answer, position of image is 40 centimeter. It is, what is this one? It is erect virtual. Why it is erect virtual I written? Because it is positive. Positive means erect virtual. This all write on the notebook and you have to submit.